Hello, welcome. Our lesson for today is word starting with Z, which is the last letter. Zoo, 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 zuru, zuru. Stole or steal, zuru. Or zuru ihe. He stole something. Zuru, zuru, zuru. Stole. Zọpụta. Zọpụta means to save someone or to save something. Zọpụta. Zi, zọpụta. Zi, zọpụta. Za means to sweep. Za, sweep. Za, sweep. Zuo means to buy something. Zuo, to buy. Please subscribe and watch. Thank you.